Hi. Today we are going to pick an area of the school to redecorate. So the very first thing you're going to do is you have to get a picture of the school. So you're going to go to Clever, go to digital art, then with the purple smiley face, it says Southside Pictures. So you're going to open that and then look through the pictures and decide which one that you would like to edit. So you're going to want to change colors in the picture. You're going to add objects or furniture or decorations to the picture. So I'm going to pick the reading corner in the library. I'm going to hit these three little buttons right here, and then I'm going to say download the picture. While that's working, I'm going to go back to Pixlr. Now this time when you get to the screen, instead of saying create new, we're going to open an image because we're going to open the image that we just downloaded. So I'm going to go to open image. And probably I don't know exactly what's on your Chromebooks, but there should be, I think, a category that says downloads. So you're going to be looking, if I downloaded Reading Corner, I should have a picture labeled Reading Corner that I can open. All right, so I'm ready to start working. The very first thing you want to do once you get your picture open is you want to go to Layer, New Layer. And you'll see right over here, you got the picture as your background, and then you have on top of that layer 2. And the reason you want to do that is then whatever you do, it's really easy to erase. Anytime you do something you really like and you don't want to mess it up, just go to Layer, New Layer, and that will make it so you could erase anything new you do, but it won't mess up things that you did before. All right, I'm going to go ahead and change the color of these curtains. So I'm going to go to lasso and then pick the polygon, and I'm going to use that to trace around the curtains. So what I'm doing is I'm making a selection and I'm telling Pixlr, hey, I only want to work in this area. So when I open my paintbrush, I only want you to mark inside of this blinking line. So just like some of us did change the wall color in a room yesterday, and the way we did that is we went to paintbrush, we picked a color. So I think I want to change my curtains to purple. We made our paintbrush really big. And then we changed the opacity. So opacity means how see-through it is. So we want our color to be pretty transparent, pretty see-through, so that we could see all the shadows and textures that are already there. So I'm changing this opacity down from 100 to like 35 to 40% opacity. And then I can just color over my curtains, and then it's purple. Then I'll go to select, deselect. Then I could go back to my lasso, to my polygon, and keep going. Now this works for the curtains. You could use this to change the color of the walls. You could use it to change the color of the carpet, the ceiling, anything you want to change the color of. Go to lasso, go to polygon, use it to trace the part you want to work in. Then go to paintbrush, change the paintbrush so it's pretty big, make the opacity lower between 35 and 40, and then you could go ahead and color what you're trying to change the color of, select, deselect, and then move on to the next thing. Another thing you could try is if the room is kind of dark looking, go to adjustment, brightness, and then you could adjust it so the whole picture is a little bit brighter. Actually, let's cancel that. I'm going to go to background and then change the brightness. All right. You're welcome. I'm going to see if I could find something from Google to add to this. So I'm just going to open a new tab. I'm going to search for a green chair. Ooh, this one's nice. So I'm going to see if I could copy that image, go back to Pixlr, edit, paste. Now that made a whole new layer. I can move the chair using the arrange tool, put it where I want it. I could also stretch it out and make it bigger or smaller. I need to get rid of this white. Now, since it's all the same color, I could use the magic wand click on the white, hit backspace, select, deselect, and then I'm all ready to go. So, try to make some area in our school look awesome. I can't wait to see what you make.